Hello, children. This is the last topic of chapter number first, nutrition in plants. Understand? Symbiosis, or symbiosis relationship in plants. Understand? So there is a definition given for you. Symbiosis comes from two Greek words. Greece, Greek words means a country that is called Greece, or mostly words of the English came from the Greek words or the Latin words. Understand? Means Latin language and the Greek language. That mean with and living means living to with someone. किसी के साथ रहना. It describe a close relationship between two organisms from different species. Means different species means like human and animals, fishes and crabs. Understand? So different species, fishes and other small creature inside the water. It is sometimes but not always. Maybe it will sometime, कभी कभी हो सकता है, but not always. Beneficial to both parties, but it is beneficial to both parties. In parasite nutrition you have studied, there is no benefit for host plants, yeah, host things, no. These are the four kinds of symbiosis. Understand? First is commensalism, second is parasitism, third is mutualism, fourth is endosymbiosis and ecosymbiosis. These are the four kinds. Again, commensalism, parasitism, mutualism, and endosymbiosis or ecosymbiosis. And these are the example number wise. First is commensalism, na? So this is the example of commensalism. Example, a hermit crab na? The taking up a residence means makes his house in an empty seashell like structure. Inside that a pearl is found, मोती जहाँ पाया जाता है उसके अंदर कभी कभी crab अंदर रुकता है, तो it is beneficial to the crab. Second is example, a spider building a web on a tree. Spider मकड़ी क्या करती है, जाला बनाती, makes a spider web on the trees, on our houses. Understand? So they are depend on our houses or trees. Second is mutualism, parasitism. These are the example. Fleas and mosquitoes feed on blood from other, they are depend on our bloods or the animal's blood. In this type of parasitic relationship, the host needs to stay alive and it is not damaged greatly. Suppose that a mosquito bite on our body, so it is not affected by them. No, so we live uh, nicely. But by biting with through biting, mosquito fill their stomach. Second, brancils that attach to the bodies of whales. It is kinds of, they just attach to the body of whale, but they not harm to the body of whale. But sometimes a little bit of pain and itching, खुजली जैसी कुछ होती है. And last, tapeworms. These are found inside our body, means our stomach, and maybe inside of stomach of the animals also. Tapeworms do more damage to their host because they eat partially digested food that deprives the host of some food and nourishment. Suppose that you are eating good food, but inside your stomach there are tapeworms. It is a बीमारी, कहते नहीं पेट में कीड़े पड़ना, that kinds of, it is the disease. So whatever you eat, but when you digest it fully, so the digestive food, some parts of the food, the digested food is eaten by the tapeworms, so it is little bit harmful for us, but we will not grow nicely, but we at least we grow. Understand? So and this is cleaning symbiosis. In the oceans, certain species like shrimps and gobies with clean fish, they remove parasites, dead tissues, and mucus. Example, dogs and human have enjoyed a mutualistic symbiosis of for centuries. Means dogs is the first pet whom is reared by the humans. Means कुत्ता सबसे पहले इंसानों द्वारा पाला गया. In the ancient time, prehistoric time, in the time of human, early man, the dogs supply protection. The dogs give protection to the companionship. They are become a friend of the man, and the humans provide food and shelter. Means there are two conditions for each.